Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
So once you click on the Permission Role tab. OK, in the Configuration tool. OK, when I go back here into the Admin Center. OK, into the tools here. Now you can see permission, this one, when I click on this. OK, when I click on this. It will take me to a page where you can see permission, role description, status are the pre-created, last modified. All these details will be there. OK. So if you are implementation consultant, you have to click on the Create New and you will be setting up the permission roles. As I told you, permission roles are of various types. OK, anything. You can see various type of permission roles. Permission roles can be of ESS, that is, Employee Self-Service. You can see when I go to ESS. You can see ESS also will be there. OK, IT Manager Employee Self-Service. You can see Employee Self-Service. You can see Employee Self-Service. OK, sometimes they will elaborate in Employee Self-Service or ESS. So similarly, if you can see, Manager also will be there. Mrs. You can see MSS, various type of, similarly ESS and apart from ESS and MSS. You can also see HR Admin will be also there. OK, see HR Admin for Contingent Workplace, HR Admin. So this HR Admin also can be of country specific also. OK, country specific means what if I take France? There will be one HR Admin. If I will take Australia, there will be one HR Admin. If I will take, let's take something as a Germany HR Admin. So permission roles can be divided on the basis of country specific also. OK, so when you go into a project and when you see that customer system, if you are into the support, you can see if the implementation is already done. If the RBP is set, you can see what are the permission roles they have created. So you can able to understand that permission roles they have defined on the basis of country specific also. Module specific also and role specific also. OK, role specific means what HR Admin is a role. Right, you can have a role which is specific to the payroll. Payroll also will be a role. Performance Manager. OK, performance means what that is related to the performance appraisal. OK, so that is also a role. Right. Apart from that, you have a compensation. So compensation is also a role. Right, OK, so depends upon the role. OK, that is one thing. Depends upon the module. Module means employee central. There will be separate permission, easy permission. Right onboarding will be a separate permission. Correct compensation learning management system. Okay, payroll. These are certain functions and certain module. Specific permissions will be there. Okay, and also you can see country specific also. 4 to 5 countries are there. Every country will be having separate permissions. That is controlled and maintained from the permission role. Okay, so when you go and see from the managed permission role, when you have landed into this page, you can see lot of permissions are there as a support consultant. As an implementation consultant, you will be responsible for setting up all these permissions. How you will know what are the permissions you need to set up? You will get the information by gathering the requirement from the customer. When you gather the requirement from the customer during the initial phase of the implementation, you will be capturing that requirement in the workbook. Okay, what all permissions should be there, what all groups should be created. In the permission role, what are the things which we need to give? That will be specified by the customer. According to that, we will be capturing initially. We are not configuring. Coming into this one, what you call permission role, which we are discussing. So we can say that permission roles are configured either on the basis of the role or on the basis of the module specific, or on the basis of the country specific. Right, got it. In the permission roles. So when you go into the admin center and from the admin center, as we have seen how to give the access. Right, initially with the help of manage role-based permission access. You are adding a user. So once you have added the user, that user can have these configuration tools, all the configuration tools, in the admin center. So from the admin center, when he will click on the permission role, it will take him into this page. Okay, and once it is taken into this page, you can see there are already certain permission roles, which is already defined. So that only I was just trying to elaborate what are the type of permission roles you can able to see. So permission roles can be on the basis of role specific also, can be on the basis of module specific also. Can be on the basis of the country specific also. It can be defined. Okay, so as a support consultant, if you are entering into the client system, you can see various permission roles. If you are implementation consultant, you will be gathering the requirement and that requirement will be captured in the workbook, and then you will be doing the setting of the configuration. Is it clear? I am pausing for the while. Any reflections? No, it's okay. Okay, fine, now going back into my Excel. Okay, I have not taken you into the system, but before taking you into the system, when you go into the manage permission role you can see various permission roles are there. Now, when you go and click on any permission role here, then it will take you into the permission setting. Okay. So when you click on any permission role, it will take you into the permission setting, and in the permission setting we have a tab called permissions. Okay, we have a tab called permissions. So this tab, which is there under the permission setting, when you click on this tab it will take us to a page where that page you can able to see it has user permission and administrative permission. Okay, so I will take you into the system. So let's take I am taking something as a system admin or a super admin. Okay, so let me take I am taking as a system admin. So, as a permission role, if I am clicking on the system admin, it will take you into a page under the permission roles detail. And that is divided into 3 parts, name and description. You have a permission setting and it's still in the process right now. So you can see permission role details, name and description, permission setting. And then the third one is you can see when you are setting up grant this role. Okay, so permission role is divided into 3 parts. Under this you can see, one is name and description when you are going there, then you have a permission setting and then the third one is granting this role to. Okay, granting this role. These are the 3 sections under permission role, so this is something which has already been configured. So when you open a permission role, when you go into the permission setting which I told you, under the permission setting you have permissions tab. Okay. So when you go under the permission setting, you have a permission tab. When you click on here, it will take you into a pop-up window where it is divided into 2 parts, user permission and admin administrative permission. Okay, same thing. I am showing you user permission and administrative permission. So under user permission, administrative permission, we have certain what you call. Certain categories are there. Okay, and these categories are divided on the basis of module specific. Okay, so there are various categories, calibration, time management, performance management, okay, goal management. Okay, compensation. Okay, onboardings.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.